Welcome to Watts. Here we'll guide you through the standard uses, features, and benefits of the Dormont Swivel Max, an accessory to the Blue Hose gas connector kit. The Dormont Swivel Max is a 360-degree multi-plane rotational device that significantly increases the range of motion of gas connectors and caster-mounted appliances. A chef's best friend, the Swivel Max helps reduce stress on gas connectors and replaces rigid street elbows in most installations. It also expands aisle space by enabling gas equipment to be moved closer to walls, making the Swivel Max ideal for commercial kitchens where every inch counts. For additional details on the product, including installation, head to dormont.com.